Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Gentle reminder, pending approval needed. I hope you're doing well. Just a kind reminder regarding the approval for the team's weekly schedule update. Please let me know if any further information is required from my side. Looking forward to your feedback. Friendly reminder, payment due. I hope this message finds you well. This is a gentle reminder that the payment for invoice 2045 is due on April 27, 2025. Please let me know if you need any assistance or clarification. Soft reminder, upcoming meeting. Just a friendly reminder about our scheduled meeting on Tuesday, April 29th. Please let me know if there's any change in your availability. Gentle reminder, report submission. Hope all is well. I wanted to gently remind you that the monthly inventory report is due on April 25, 2025. Kindly share it at your convenience. Please let me know if you need any support. Kind reminder, awaiting your response. I hope you're doing well. Just checking in to see if you had a chance to review my previous email regarding the updated picking process guideline. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.